Hey, what's up? Just wanted to jump on real quick and do a follow up from this morning. So I did actually I made it back just before like 10 this morning. I'll make sure that I put a card up in a corner, but I did take a position. It was actually on my PA on my practice account, Top Step practice account. And what were we reaching for? I believe I was reaching for good grief. I can't remember. Well, at any rate, we reached up. I want to say it might have been like the 8:30 by side. So I know it was I took a long. I ended up taking a long in here. And like I said, I'll add that card above because the trade itself only took maybe about, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes, and then we waited because that same 8:30 level became basically a 4-hour candle range high for the 6 a.m. and we'd already put in the low at, interestingly enough, 9:40. So what I was looking to see was, okay, well, was it going to soup this level and come all the way back? And as you can see, like it started the soup just below fair value here, came all the way back into this area, and then, kind of just ran away again. So essentially we've been, as you can see, I won't say pumping higher, but we've gotten back to basically new day opening gap. And this basically established between the close of not yesterday or Sunday, but Friday. So this is basically just mean threshold for that. And the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to, I took off the other horizontal rays, but this is what I'm going to be looking for Globex this evening. I am actually considering I'll if I don't have a position to take 6 to 7 this evening, I'll at least maybe just live stream it. But this is Friday previous day low. That's what the PDL is. It was also the initial buy side from the 10th, so kind of going hand in hand. So if you wanted to look at this as like the larger context trade, this is basically the manipulation of this initial balance, but it's also closed below previous day low. So my expectation kind of sort of going into tonight Globex, and then as you know, I've already said like several times, like I'm not really going to be in place for AM sessions for the rest of the week, really for the foreseeable future, but I'll be in place for like Globex. So what's something that I'm looking for? Well, I'm looking to see how well price respects basically this 4-hour range high, right? So I don't want to scroll all the way back. I have to go up to a 4-hour, and I'll go into that a little bit later. But you've got this level here and this one down here. So my point is, if we somehow or another continue to jog back and forth in here, if we can close below previous day low and remain within this structure, 6 p.m. I'll probably be looking for shorts. I'll have to fight myself if it looks like there's a buyback up, or basically a run higher to sell off. But the idea is we could very well be looking at an opportunity for sells back to this level, which would kind of also help me incorporate a decent enough trade idea. These green rays, this is just basically me looking at this candle range to say, okay, if we close back within this, the likelihood is we could see basically this 12 noon run out, and then that'll run into basically 4-hour candle range low for today, and then ultimately clear this. So the objective kind of clear and short term for this week, I would say, for me, if it can get accomplished within the next day or so, that'd be great, and then I'll be done. Or we just kind of look and see what happens, see what mitigates, see what if we get a run before I get off tonight, or even before London session. But again, the idea is shorts, so we'll see how that delivers. Again, I'll paste the card from the video earlier this morning up in the right-hand corner, and I'll see you guys at or around maybe 5:50 this evening. All right, thanks.